My name is Stephanie Ross. I'm the pastry chef here at the Washington Duke Inn Golf Club. I'm here today to show you how to make these white chocolate dipped chocolate peppermint biscotti.
Mix all the dry ingredients until combined. Add the wet ingredients, mix until well combined. It will take a couple minutes for it to all come together. Place into a piping bag or shape by hand. You can make the log however long or thick you want depending on how big you want the biscotti. Bake for 30 minutes. Cool and cut the biscotti. Bake again to toast for 10 minutes and let cool. Melt the white chocolate chips slowly in the microwave. Dip the biscotti in the white chocolate, use however much you want. Sprinkle with your favorite topping and enjoy.
Produced by the Office of Communication Services. Online at today.duke.edu/working.